If your discount code isn't working with Kaching bundles, this is usually why. When you create a discount in Shopify, you're always choosing a discount type, even if you don't notice it. There are only three types of discounts in Shopify: product discounts, order discounts, and free shipping discounts. Kaching Bundles always applies a product discount to the items inside the bundle, and Shopify has one strict rule: you can't apply two product discounts to the same product. So if a bundle already discounts product A and you try to add another product level discount to that same product, Shopify will block one of them. That's why only one discount shows up. Here's how to fix it. If you want to stack a promo on top of a bundle, use an order discount instead. Then, in the discounts combination settings, make sure product discounts is checked. You can also see exactly which other discounts this one can combine with at checkout. Order level discounts apply to the entire cart, not individual products, so they stack perfectly with bundle discounts.